Hi everyone, I'm going to be reading A Day in the Life of a Construction Worker. When do construction workers start their days? Most construction workers start their days early in the morning. They like to work outside while it is cool and light. Brad is in charge of many workers and projects. He goes to his office before heading to the job sites. What do construction workers do? Construction workers do different tasks. Some build roads, other workers build homes or offices. Construction workers dig, pound, cut, and measure. Do construction workers work alone? Construction workers work together in crews. Brad checks to make sure this foundation crew has enough people for the job. A driver backs up the concrete truck. Another worker moves the chute. The rest of the crew spreads the concrete with shovels and shovels. How do construction workers stay safe? Construction workers use clothing and equipment to stay safe. Brad wears strong boots to protect his feet. He wears a hard hat while he checks supplies at the job site. The framing crew uses safety glasses when they cut boards. They use earplugs to soften the noise from saws and hammers. Where do construction workers eat lunch? Most construction workers eat lunch at the job site. Some bring packed lunches, others buy their meals from a food truck. Brad gives cold water to everyone. Without enough water, workers could get heat stroke. Who helps construction workers? Many people help construction workers. Architects and designers help by drawing plans. Contractors run construction projects. Inspectors also help construction workers. They check the work to make sure it meets city building codes. An inspector helps Brad check that the roof is safe and waterproof. How do construction workers know what to build? Construction workers follow plans. The plans tell workers how to build things. Brad reads the plans for this kitchen. He makes sure the crew follows the plans exactly. He checks if there is enough space for the sink. Before construction workers leave, they make sure the job site is clean and safe. The crew loads garbage into a bin. They sweep up any nails left on the road and sidewalk. Brad piles siding neatly. He checks tomorrow's schedule before heading home. The Great Wall of China is one of the world's longest construction projects. It is about 4,000 miles long. Workers began on the Great Wall about 2,500 years ago. Look at all those tools, guys. We've got cones, a ladder, wheelbarrow, cords, a saw, water jug, their toolbox, hard hat, the plans for building a vest, a tool belt, and some boots. Hope you enjoyed the book.